orange glazed salmon recipe. Season salmon with salt and leave it for 10 minutes, wash it after. Meanwhile, let's prepare the orange sauce. Slice thinly the chili. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 2 teaspoons honey, zest half an orange, squeeze half an orange, mix thoroughly and save it for later. Let's prepare the avocado puree. Add a pinch of salt, squeeze half a lime, season with olive oil, turn into creamy puree and save it for later. Brush olive oil in a baking pan, place the salmon on it and sear over high temperature for 5 minutes. Now let's get back to the sauce. Preheat the pan, add the sauce and simmer until glaze begins to thicken. Once salmon is done, serve it with puree and orange sauce on the top. Full recipe you will find in description below.